Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is not plant related. However, it is seed related. Today I'm going to set out my bird feeders for the winter. And I love to have bird feeders. The only thing that has stopped me having my feeders out here has been the chipmunks and the squirrels, because they love to get into bird feeders. And when I had mine set out before, they dumped it. So I just didn't put it back out, but I'm getting it ready to set back out now because, you know, there's snow everywhere. I don't know if you can see that. And I want to have some food out for my birds. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Show you this. Don't mind those gloves. I got this from Walmart for $1. I don't know if anyone else likes to have bird feeders out, but I love having bird feeders out. I love seeing all the little birdies come up, and since we've been in this new area, I've seen a lot of different birds that I haven't seen before. So I'm excited to have this out. I'm gonna hang this up on my plant hangers, and I'm gonna put it on the side with the office. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get this set up. Put this up here because I have some food for it, and then I also have some food in the garage for this guy, or for another feeder that I have in the garage. So here goes this. So here's what I also got this from Walmart. It was $5. And it was the only thing that I could find that would fit in there. It was not on sale. Not like this guy for $1, which is super nice. So here it is. Looks like it's a mixed sunflower and a couple different sunflower types, and in the seed and out of seed. So I'm going to stick this in here and go ahead and close that up. So that just sits in here like that. Alright, so now I need to go and check the garage for my other feeder and my stand. It is super cold out here today. I think it's like a high of 20 degrees or something. So cold. But I got my bird food here. So I'm just looking for my stuff in the garage. Alrighty, so I'm looking for the bird food, the bird feeder, and my bird stand thingy. So there goes my big stand over there. So I'm gonna get that, and then gotta find my other feeder. Remove this. It's got so many spider webs over here. Ugh. Not sure if I hope I still have some bird food. I think I just saw where it might be. So let me get this out. And I'm actually going to put this over the fence for myself just to make it easy so I don't have to carry everything. So it's going to go on this side of the house. I'm just going to set this up right here so I can walk to the other side and come and get it. I'm fine. Oh, and you see this fish fertilizer? I also got this from Walmart for $1. Yes. Well, that was $1. And it's 9.8 pounds, like crazy. I got 3 of them. Alrighty, so where is... Look at this. I still have flower. This plant is still flowering. And it's winter. not winter, it's fall, but it looks like winter because there's snow. But I threw these two in the garage because I wasn't sure if I was done with them yet. And they're still flowering in here, which is awesome. So I found my seed and this feeder. So I've had that for a while. I'm gonna try and fill this up. I'm gonna fill it up over here. Do that. And then I'm gonna set my camera up. So here they are, and I think it looks great. Just a side note that having feeders, it can cause a lot of weeds, underneath there, because the seeds that don't get eaten can start to germinate. So just a fair warning, but I think being able to see the birds come up to eat and just providing a little bit of extra assistance during the cold months, I think it's cool. Alright guys, so let me know if you guys also have bird feeders out. I would love to see them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye!